Hi there, my name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked by our customers. Why would I cook with a Parrilla instead of just using my normal charcoal barbecue? The great thing about cooking on a Parrilla grill is the height adjustment and the heat control. By using the wheel and crank handle, you can easily raise and lower the height your food sits over your heat source. The other great thing are the grills. These V grills catch the fat, which drips down into this easily removable channel, which stops flare-ups. The other great thing about a Parrilla grill is the flat bottom, which makes it so much easier to move your coals around. And finally, look at it. How impressive does this barbecue look? You're definitely going to one-up your neighbour or your brother-in-law. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.